Hello friends, welcome and God bless you. On today's video is an open collab for the month of April, and I also will be doing some shout outs at the end of this video. So stay tuned and watch. Friends, let me take time to introduce myself. My name is Penny. I have a lifestyle channel. I upload weekly, sometimes 2 and 3 times a week. I do live. I love to motivate people, connect with new YouTubers, connect with friends. I love supporting others and motivating others. And I hope that you find this video to be an inspiration to you. I would love for you to join. Thank y'all so much for stopping in. So friends, the name of the collab for the month of April is called Trash to Treasure. That's right, we're taking something old and turn it into something new. Friends, are you a dumpster diver? Do you go to thrift shops, garage sales? Do you shop on the side of the road from things that people throw out for trash? If that is you, this collab is for you. So the collab date will be April the 24th, 2021 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's on a Saturday, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel and you would love to join this, please do subscribe. Please, guys, add the hashtag repurpose 2021 so that I can find your video just in case you cannot get on the playlist. Please make sure to follow all the guidelines in my description box. It's simple, guys, and I thank you so much for joining, and I hope y'all have fun. Now stay tuned to the March Teal Tray shout out to all of those that join me in the collab on the month of March from the Teal Tray. Thank you, ladies, and y'all please go check out their channels. God bless y'all. Love y'all from Penny, and have a blessed, prosperous day. Bye-bye.